Welcome to ABC Adventure Quest!
Letter D, what will it be? Is it drum? Is it cat? Or is it duck?
Think, think, think! Which one is D?
It's duck! D for duck! We found it! Hooray! Letter E, come and play with me. Oh! Is it egg? Ho? Is it car? Wait up! Or is it kite?
Think, think, think! Which one is E?
It's egg. E for egg. We found it. Hooray! Letter F, come along with me. Is it fish? Is it apple? Or is it car? Think, think, think. Which one is F? Oh, it's fish. Oh, F for fish. We found it. Hooray!
Hi, little friends. I'm Sparkly, your Golden Star teacher. Welcome to Little Star Rhymes. Fun learning, bright songs, happy smiles, and yes, totally ad-free fun, because learning should always be joyful.